One way that you can make it easier for students to know what's expected of them and to grade things with a rubric is to attach the rubric into a template that you hand out to students. Say you were going to have students complete a writing assignment or a lab assignment, you might usually just put the assignment into Google Classroom, but not attach a piece of paper because you figure kids could make one on their own. Instead of doing that, I might suggest creating a piece of paper for them since you know you're going to get a piece of paper anyhow. And if you have the rubric already created, and on page 2 of the piece of paper, you could paste in your rubric. This is the example of the single point rubric that I mentioned in a previous newsletter. And then when you hand this out to students, it will already be there. If I go into my classroom view, this was the assignment that I handed out, and the student then typed on their piece of paper. And if I scroll down, I've got my rubric right here. And you can see, again, this is the grading window that you've got for students. If I want to look at other students' pieces of paper, I can easily move back and forth by clicking on this arrow or side to side using these arrows. I can put in a grade if I would like. I can add private comments, or I could select this area, then go to my comment bank, copy, and paste that in. And students would be able to see that when they go back to their work. You can return it to them and they'll be able to see specifically what they did well or not. Again, I could copy that one and then paste it in. And this is a great way for students to be able to see their rubric already attached to the assignment.